Once again, so thank you and biggest congratulations to Sri Leela. And now I request Kavya to speak. So Eagle ద్వారా మనందరి ముందుకి మరొకసారి వస్తున్న Kavya will speak now.
Good evening, everybody. First of all,
అక్కడ ప్లస్ మార్క్ ఉంది చూసారా అదే.
good evening, everybody. First of all, thank you, everyone, for coming and joining us, and also for all the love and support you all have shown after the trailer of Eagle. We were very thrilled and very overwhelmed. And also a big congratulations to the entire team of Dhamaka for completing 1 year success, and I'm so glad to be a part of it today. And I just want to thank everybody. First of all, I'll start with thanking Ravi sir, and he's really been a blessing on set, and I feel like he only elevated my performance in so many ways, and there's so much to learn from him on screen and off screen. And just like Srinivas Garu, I'm a fan of his personality, and I'm sure everybody who knows him can vouch for that. Secondly, thank you Karthik sir for realizing my potential and giving me this opportunity. And also thank you Mani Garu for seeing me as this character, and when I played this character, for taking a sigh of relief and not a sigh of stress. So thank you Mani Garu, and special thanks to Vishwa Prasad Garu for believing in me and always having my back on set, and I never had to face any trouble. Thank you so much, and I hope to do a lot more films with you. Okay, that's it. Thank you everybody. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ కావ్య, విష్ గుడ్ లక్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఎడిటర్గా చూసాం, డిఓపిగా చూసాం, డైరెక్టర్గా కూడా చూసాం. ఇప్పుడు ఈగల్తో సో పవర్ ప్యాకెట్ ఫిల్మ్తో మన అందరి ముందుకి వస్తున్న కార్తిక్ ఘట్టంనేని గారు మాట్లాడాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాము. ఏ